Shalom Israel, giving no praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Chakadash. The waters to the elders of GMS will well say, take you, Hakim out there pushing his word in truth and sincerity, risking your freedom and life to do so. It's gonna be really quick, man. More madness of Babylon. This is just bulldoggery at its finest. It's wickedness at its finest. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is from the Nigga News Network, otherwise known as World Star Hip Hop. Says never trust your girlfriend's gay homeboy. I done F this girl a couple of times. And as you can see in the video, he just talks about how he's smashing this girl, but he's a gay guy, just off as hell. This woman has a man, and he's committing an act of adultery, but he's also a sodomite. He's also gay. So I'm not gonna play the video. As you can see here, he's live chatting with another female friend of his, and he talks about pretty much how he's screwing this man's woman, but he's a gay dude, and the man comes in, catches them, but he's acting gay. You see? Let me get this. Isaiah 3:9. The shoe of their countenance doth witness against them, and they declare their sin as Sodom. They hide it not. Woe unto their souls, for they have rewarded evil unto themselves. Yeah, their sin is as Sodom, man. They declare their sin as Sodom. They don't hide it. This man is blatant. Wait, and I wish I could play the video, man, but YouTube is definitely cracking down on videos. They're cracking down on videos. They're cracking down on people. Certain information getting out there. They're cracking down on the truth, making it a lot more hard to see certain things and to have access to certain things. But not to stay off topic, man. This the guys sure they counter stuff, does witness against them, man. And they declare their sin as Sodom, they hide it not. Yeah, because back in the days, we used to have a phrase called coming out the closet, or he's on the down low. Like that's something to hide because back then it was a shame. It was a shame to be what they would call homosexual. Homosexual, whether you're lesbian or you're a man that's into men. Okay, it was a shame, so they would say something like coming out the closet. But now they declare. They declare they have parades. Look, they declare they sin as Sodom, they hide it not. They have parades. They glorify it on TV. That's like a new thing to be gay, to have gay partners. See? Verse 10, say ye to the righteous that it should be well with him, for they shall eat the fruit of their doing. Warn to the wicked, it shall be ill with him, for the reward of his hand shall be given him. Right, and that's reward of his hand. So not only is he talking about smashing his dude's baby, his smashing his dude's girl. Matthew 16 verse 4. A wicked adulterous generation seeketh after a sign, and there shall no sign be given unto it, but the sign of the prophet Jonas. And he left him and departed. I'm Salakia. I was looking for something else. Yeah, this is a wicked and adulterous generation. You see, this is Mark 8 verse 38. Whosoever therefore shall be ashamed of me and of my words in this adulterous and sinful generation, of him also shall the Son of Man be ashamed when he cometh in his glory, and the glory of his Father with the holy angels. Right, right. So if you're ashamed of the Lord's words in this adulterous and sinful generation, the Lord is going to be ashamed of you when he comes and make his second return. And this is definitely a sinful and adulterous generation, man. As you can see in this video. I mean, you just read the comments. It said, I done been through that gay uh, friend stuff. If that boy done pulled that gay tone on me, I don't give a damn. He's still gonna take his blade to the chest for being in the same room naked with my girl. F you me. Damn chill, man. With all the taking blade through the chest, all you gotta do is leave the bra for being a hoe. You see, it's funny. Dude gay, either he lying or dude is bi, but he not gay. He can still be gay. Sex is sex. When two people together, they may fool around just for the kick of it. Doesn't mean he desires a lasting romantic relationship with a woman. You see, so no to the gays, you're not born that way. Y'all just men who want the D in your butt, which is very true. Very true. You see, it's very true. Y'all not born like that, but as you can see in the comment section, this is what it is. He should have invited the dude in the bed and had a threesome. That's why she stopped talking to him. Her man tore her up for not greenlighting a threesome. You see? I mean, this is wicked, man. Wicked. You see? So we just read the comment section. This happened to a friend of mine a long time ago. Her gay friend been screwing her every day at her house. Even her parents did not know. My friend found out because he showed up at her place to ask her to marry him, and saw the gay friend screwing her in her butt, then busting him. Okay, I recall like he just say, man, he was really in love. He was crying for a month over it, while he was taking her out every week. He could not sleep over her house. But they felt safe with the gay friend, not knowing she would drink that gay juice daily. Come to think of it, when she came by to visit him, her breath always smelled like moldy underwear. I mean, so just wicked, man. Just wicked, yo. I would love to play the video when I can. And that's why we gotta proclaim this word, man, because this is a wicked and adulterous generation. I read this again, Mark 8, verse 38. Whosoever therefore shall be ashamed of me and my words in this adulterous and sinful generation, of him also should the Son of Man, be ashamed when he cometh in the glory of his Father with the holy angels. Right. And that's why we can't be ashamed of his word, but we gotta declare it. Okay. See? Isaiah 13, verse 19. In Babylon, the glory of kingdoms, the beauty of the Chaldees' excellency, shall be as when God overthrew Sodom and Gomorrah. Right. Babylon is aka for America, which is the glory of all kingdoms, shall be like when the Lord overthrew Sodom and Gomorrah. Verse 20. It shall never be inhabited, neither shall be dwelt in from generation to generation, neither shall Arabian prince tent there, neither shall the shepherds make their fold there. Wild beasts of the desert shall lie there, and their houses shall be full of doleful creatures, and owls shall dwell there, and satyrs shall dance there. And wild beasts of the islands shall cry in their desolate houses, and the dragons in their pleasant palaces. and her time is near to come, and her days shall not be prolonged. And that's the truth, man. Till next time, shalom.